Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 simple hairstyles just using a scrunchie. So here I'm using these 3 really cute scrunchies. These are actually from my online store called Happy Day Scrunchies. So if you like them, feel free to go check them out. Alright, so first I'm going to be using the cheetah scrunchie. I think this one's called Safari. Sorry guys, I needed my glasses. Thought I could go the video without them, but I really needed to use them. The first hairstyle is just a super cute low pony. So first I'm just gathering up all my hair into a simple ponytail. And I tied it around probably about 3 times and then fluffed the scrunchie. Next, I started just pulling out really small pieces from the back of my head just to kind of give it some more dimension and volume. I took my fingers and combed them through the back of my hair, just pulling out pieces until it looked right. I also wanted to give it a little bit more volume, so I just pulled it apart and then fluffed it a little bit. So here's the finished product. This one I think is actually my personal favorite. My next hairstyle is a loosely twisted half up, half down. I started by dividing my hair in half. I tend to do this kind of messily just because I like the messy look, but you can do it way more polished if you want to. So I just brought all the hair on the bottom to one side and then divided the hair on top into 2 parts. I then just started twisting the right hand side just a little bit and then holding it there in place. You could totally use clips to do this, but I just used my hands. I started twisting the left hand side as well, and then I brought them together in the middle. Here you can kind of adjust it how you want to and then tie it with your scrunchie. It's so important to be fluffing your scrunchies because when you first tie them, sometimes they can look kind of weird. So just make sure that you adjust it and fluff it how you like it. This simple hairstyle is super easy to do and it helps you look a little bit more put together. My next hairstyle is just a loose side braid. As you can kind of tell, I really like the loose, messy look, but you can always do it a little bit more polished. So here I'm just braiding all the way down the side. Sorry about that one chunk I accidentally left out. I later then tucked it into my braid. Then you just tie up the bottom with your scrunchie. I'm going to be pulling pieces out from the back of my head and then pulling pieces on the sides of my braid to make it a little bit more fluffy. I tend to do this to all of my braids just because I really like the look. A really cute scrunchy side braid. Well, thanks guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and hopefully it won't be a year later that I make my next video. If you had a favorite hairstyle, please let me know. And if you'd like to see more of these types of videos, I would love to do them. Thanks guys!